This sensational 2008 Dodge 3500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 4-door crew cab long bed truck has fine medium gray cloth seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, a fluid transmission, and has the safety and security of 4-wheel drive. Its electronic features include a trip computer and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption and its range, based on its remaining fuel. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Call or come by today to schedule a test drive.